Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fuse in a Hotpoint dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dryer fuse. Before installing it, make sure that this one is 30 amps. The marking is right there on the side. So you turn it around and you're going to look and it says 30 amps. Now we can install it. This 30 amp fuse is mounted at the back of the dryer in the left lower corner inside the cover box. It protects the dryer's electrical components from being damaged if a power spike occurs. If the dryer won't start, one of the possible reasons could be a blown fuse. Other most common possibilities could include a bad door switch, a bad timer, or a bad motor. So we are at the back of the dryer and the fuse is located behind this cover box. So this is the screw that holds this cover box, and I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver, going to remove it. Now I'm going to take off this cover box. I'm going to pull it off. So this is the fuse, and I'm using a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry it out. This is the old dryer fuse next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm going to install the new fuse into the holder. If you can, press it by hand. If not, we're going to make it go in. And I'm going to use the butt here. Okay. Next, I'm going to install the cover box. These two prongs goes into this cutouts here. And now I'm going to secure the cover box with the Phillips screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.